Bossing, may memo ako.
Silent ka daw.
Yan ang sinasabi ko.
Bakalan, orient daw po tayo sabay-sabay. Orient daw po tayo for HSI. Totoo nga. Mas ginagatawa mo pala.
Ano na ako makakanta yung vlog?
Ayun na kuya, kakanta ka mo. Hindi makaso.
So, mangyayari na, hindi ba sa Sabado pa yun?
Pero ang dating halan eh. Silent ka daw.
Bossing, may memo ako eh.
Yan ang sinasabi ko. Sir Alan kita.
Trees, you only need when I'm through. Anywhere we may be, I will sing with you a song.
Memorandum short formal notice regarding causing disturbance to the host and other members of the group for the rest of the
Siesta. You can, at the hype dyan, you can only sing in clowns. Mga buwisit eh.
Well, you can only sing in clowns kasi namin. Every
May address.
Saturday.
Meron pa yung schedule eh.
Totoo yan. Totoo yan. Totoo yan.
Ay, sige.
Akala ko hindi na bangungutak. Biglang may maalulong eh.
Pero, ang ganda naman ang pagkakanta ko. In the other side of the earth. Ang hirap ka yan.
In this regard, you are hereby directed to refrain from singing inside the host room and exit immediately until further notice.
Hindi naman yung dulo pa.
You can only sing in Clowns, Quezon Ave, every Saturdays and Sundays. For your guidance and compliance. Sabi naman yung subject, noisy host.